Welcome back to Michigan Muscle. If you guys watched the last episode, you've seen this car's interior get completely stripped down and all that's remaining is the drivetrain. So today, we're gonna finish the destruction of tearing this thing apart and hopefully get the body off to the scrapyard after that. And that is it for the Charger. This thing is completely stripped. All of the parts are completely scattered around the garage, as you'll see. And this is just leaving the bare frame. So I'm gonna get this rolled out outside somewhere and let it sit until the tow truck comes to pick it up, throw all the junk in there from what's outstanding with this car, and then whatever I don't need from the 300 I'll pile in there. And next steps are rolling the 300 in and starting the teardown on that. And hopefully, if all goes smooth, everything from the Charger, from what I've read, interior, drivetrain, everything will be able to bolt in directly to that 300. So that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more of the 300 to Scat Pack swap.